This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a staking platform. First, clearly define your platform's purpose and target audience to guide your development. Next, select a suitable blockchain, such as Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain, which aligns with your project's goals. Then, determine the consensus mechanism, like proof of stake, and outline the specific staking rewards and unbonding periods for users. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful and well-structured platform. Now, let's dive into the technical build. Design robust smart contracts that handle all staking logic, including deposits, withdrawals, and reward distribution. Develop an intuitive front-end user interface, ensuring a seamless experience for your users. Simultaneously, build a scalable back-end infrastructure to manage all platform operations efficiently. Finally, integrate secure wallet connections, allowing users to safely interact with their staked assets. Security is paramount for any staking platform. Conduct comprehensive security audits of all your smart contracts by independent third parties to identify and fix potential vulnerabilities. Implement robust encryption and strict access control measures across your entire system. Perform extensive testing, including unit, integration, and stress tests, to ensure stability. Consider establishing a bug bounty program to leverage community expertise in finding issues. With development and security complete, it's time for launch. Develop a strategic marketing plan to attract early adopters and build a strong community around your platform. Launch with clear documentation, providing users with all necessary information and support channels. Continuously monitor platform performance and gather user feedback to make informed improvements. Finally, plan for regular updates and feature enhancements to keep your platform competitive and secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.